So hey guys, ICC 10th batch 2027. So basically the question in your mind would be, according to me, where to study from. So basically you are having multiple options, and basically you have to choose wisely and very keenly, like which is the most appropriate. So basically you're having YouTube channels, so basically as well as your online purchase batches. First of all, talking about YouTube channels, you're having these four main YouTube channels according to me. So basically I am just gonna be suggesting you, but it's according to you, like what you are actually focusing on. Sir Tarun Rupani is actually about just studying the theory and not concept. I'm repeating, it's only about theory, not concept, bro, please. And then we are having Clarify Knowledge, that's more about revision, rapid revisions rather than concept. No concept is basically explained very nicely here. And Amplify Learning, it's about concept, though basically it's there are not more resources, but yeah, it's about concept. ICC Wala, it's about syllabus completion, and it's all about one shots only. And basically it's not more valuable according to me. You're having online purchase batch, you don't have to buy any of these batch, bro. These all are shit. Basically I'm just saying you, because you won't get the time to study after coming to after school. You are spending 7 to 8 hours in school. Just in school, focus on concept, and basically don't cramp should not be in your mind, and basically understand more right list. That's all what you have to do to score 95% above. And basically if you do so, you will just succeed in your goals. Bye bye guys.